A rubber seal surrounds the door of the Mini Combi, sealing in heat and steam. Wear, debris buildup, and tears reduce its effectiveness. When the old seal is leaking steam and heat, it must be replaced. Pull it from the door. The new seal has 2 small holes. These are positioned at the center bottom of the door opening as the seal is installed. Soak the new seal in soapy water to ease installation. Dishwashing detergent is fine for this. Wipe away any excess soap and water. Start at the top center of the door frame. Work the seal's ribbed edge into the slot surrounding the door opening. Ensure the edge of the seal snaps into the oven slot. The process may leave what appears to be excess seal at the bottom of the opening. Use a towel to dry the new seal and massage it away from the excess. Slowly and carefully tug the seal from both sides to reduce the size of the loop formed by the excess. As the excess comes parallel with the cabinet, press the seal's ribbed edge into the slot. Ensure the holes are in place at the bottom of the door opening and that the fit is tight all around. Particularly watch for looseness at the doorpost.